Hello everyone, today I have a very easy and quick to prepare dish. This is braised chicken feet with dried mushrooms. This is our main dish. First, I add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add slices of onion and slices of garlic. Add in 1/2 slices of big onion and slices of ginger. Sautee for a while. Add in 1 teaspoon black peppercorn and 30 pieces of chicken feet. Mix it together. Add in 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, and 2 pieces star anise and 4 pieces bay leaf. Mix it together. Add in 10 pieces of dried mushroom. I already soaked and it's ready to cook. Add in 2 cups of Swanson. Cover and open the gas and turn to high heat. When it starts boiling, turn to low heat and cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, take out cover. Wow, it's done. Can't wait to try this. Mix it again. And it's ready to serve. It's done and ready to serve. Thank you for watching. This is our braised chicken feet with dried mushroom. Please help me subscribe and like. Goodbye.